Well, guys, we are not in front of the door, if you can call that a door. In fact, we are in front of the banana, which is not automotive related unless you have one or two in the glove box and use it as a snack while you drive. The reason why are we in front of the banana today is because we will move from garage to garage and from one place to another in order to fix Delta as soon as possible. There is a big event coming up and we want Delta to shine as much as possible anyway. There is a lot of work ahead. There is a Mercedes logo on the rain gutter here. Don't ask me, guys. Let's go and work.
Majstor kad ga ono pravi to nema da puca u državu jedini ume šasiju da prekuca pa za malo kao mator da zbog toga leži zatvor za motor je vele majstor i doktor za karburator.
As you guys might remember, when we bought the car, I said clean up and polish up. That's exactly what we are going to do right now. Active foam, few layers of polishing compound to see where we stand with the paint and to try to blend 50 shades of red into one, possibly two. Now, regarding the interior, since we removed the door covers, the blue door covers we didn't like anyway, we will use self-service car wash to try to deep clean the seats in order to figure out the real color of the seats. We will probably use some sort of gray fabric for the door covers and for the top part of the dashboard. The goal here is to do a mild resto mode with Delta, since it's fairly modern car and it's pretty awesome as it is. We will keep changes to the minimum just to do it right. It's really odd to say for 25 years old car that it's modern, but it's Italian car. Design is fantastic and it's aged really well. It looks better than, let's be fair here, at least 50% of the brand new cars today in the salons. That's just Italian design for you guys. Now with electrical issues. First of all, hazard switch. It gets stuck. We got replacement in the form of hazard switch for Fiat Brava, but as you can see, it's not completely the same. We'll try to adjust it. This hazard switch has been pain in the, lower back of the, it was stuck, barely working, and no, this doesn't go like this, and there is no replacement, guys. And I think our relay went bad because of the issues. We have replaced like 10 blown fuses so far, and now I'm just trying to figure out where the relay is, so shh and listen. There. I can't hear it. For a second, sounded like here. No. All different kind of sounds in here. Without hazard switch, turn indicators doesn't work, and I tried one from Fiat Brava, but electronic is different and it doesn't work. Now we have one from Alfa. Electronic is the same, but the pins, I'm not sure. I need to try it now. Hopefully it won't go. Nothing. Nothing. We need to find relay here. Nothing. Hazard switch relay was found eventually. The issue, bad contacts only. nothing that soldering iron and, well, soldering wire can't fix. Easy, easy fix. And since we have soldering iron hot and in the hand, perfect timing to check why power windows doesn't operate every time. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It's very, very annoying. More than likely, the issue are relays again. The hard part is to find them and to open this damn box. I struggled with this. You know these Chinese mysterious boxes with some kind of trick password click thing you use to open it up? Well, this is Chinese box. Once when you get to open it, you look at the relays. Hopefully your box will open easily. And if relays inside look good, they're good. If they look bad and burned, you replace them. If they look good but Windows doesn't operate properly, again, cold solderers. You just solder them over again, fix the contacts, it will work, I promise. This is exactly what we did here this time. And of course, it worked. Okay, so guys, someone put a lot of money and a lot of effort to make what seems to be a great music at the time, but the Pioneer that was inside is dead, unfortunately. But fortunately, I have probably 10 like it somewhere. This is the dirtiest one, I think, Clarion, French. It's working, I remember. So I'm eager to find out what is music like in here, just to figure out what's going where. I don't know. Is there a scheme, please? Nope, of course not. I was painting something over here. Why not? Anyway, we will replace it with some fancy multimedia. I think it will fit great here. Maybe even we will put down the air conditioning controls and put multimedia here. We'll see about that, but for now I just want to hear it play. I don't know about the gray one. What the hell? I don't have the fuse here. Oh, perfect. And Pioneer apparently don't use fuse. Great. I need a fuse now. Oh my god. Okay. As simple as that. I was assuming the red one here, somewhere, here it is plus 12 volts, but maybe not. We'll try only with plugs in and fuse. I need a fuse. I need a fuse. I will come back to the fuse. Mini fusibili per auto. Mwah. Fuses. I need 10 amperes. This is 15. That will work. I hope the dimension is the same. Please, 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 please fit. Ah, injury, injury, injury. Ah. Not really, not the same. Can you fit, please? Please. I don't think it will fit in here. Where is the on button? Power. Haha. We need antenna. Now this Clarion has a bug. When you try to crank up the music, you can't. Antenna jack. Come on, get in. No, this is not antenna jack. What the hell is antenna here? Okay. Here it is. Okay, now let's search for music.
Suštinskih promjena.
Music, please.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid.
You know what? The hell with Clarion audio system, whatever. We will put Multimedia in Delta. And we need to reorganize central console of the dashboard for that. And no, it's not just plug and play. We will need to cut parts of the dashboard to make room for multimedia touchscreen inside. First to go is ashtray. There is no smokers here, guys, so we don't need that. And we will rearrange everything. Yes, it will be messy, but you know the saying, trust me, I'm an engineer. I know what I'm doing. Stay with me. since we need to build parts of the dashboard for everything to look nice, why don't use nice materials as well? So we will use wood for the central console. It should look awesome finished. Time to make brackets for Multimedia to keep it where, well, it should be. It's gonna be improvisation from start till end, because you know what, the best things in life are always improvisations. This is the cheap universal multimedia we got it new. For this car it's amazing fit because it's just looking period correct, it's blending in nice, looking like it always belonged here. Mechanically, there is a lot of work ahead of us. This is garage of my dear old friend and hands down best Italian car expert I've met. Today we will use his space, his lift, his knowledge and his help to do this as fast as possible. As you guys remember, we had a problem, and still have, with temperature and coolant. There is a leak from water pump and from little radiator in the cabin. Now, Italian cars, they are designed and engineered perfectly. They're beautiful, fast, sporty, enjoyable cars with just one little flaw. Italian engineers never thought you will need to replace anything ever on your car. And I mean anything ever. Or they just probably didn't care. But now, 25 years later, well, you have the picture, guys. It's very difficult to reach, to pull out, and even harder to put anything in. To replace water pump, you will need to remove right wheel, protection, go from underneath, remove the pulleys, belts, go from the top, do the same, then you can pull the water pump out. And for this particular model, it's not enough to remove the heart of the water pump. Propellers are fine, the seals burned out. So you will need to go deeper and remove the whole body of the water pump. And then you can just replace seals. But when you get this far, you just replace the whole damn thing and you are safe for another 50k. As long as we are going for the water pump here, it's perfect timing to check everything else. We will drive this car. Now is good time as ever. Just to look, see, hear, check, and well, this is the first for me, guys. I've never ever seen this. Alternator is bad, and one of the belts is bad also, but the belt is not the issue. Look, it's broken, it's almost dead, we'll replace it. But the alternator, it's overcharging. No, not charging low. There is 15 volts on the output, and there is only one thing more surprising than alternator overcharging, and that's, well, nothing has burned out in this car. Everything is fine. Over voltage and everything is fine. That's, well, seriously, first for me. Regarding the water pump, you will see here step-by-step tutorial instruction. Use this. It will come handy. Regarding the alternator, Fiat interchangeable parts, as I mentioned so many times before, guys. We will use one from Fiat Stilo, it's fine. You just replace the pulley from the old one, check the position, adjust a bracket a little bit, it will work. It's fine, it's Fiat. And yeah, regarding the small radiator in the cabin, well, you can replace that with anything. Any Fiat small radiator, something you just look in the kitchen. No, you didn't hear this from me, but it will work even if you take it from Volkswagen. It's just cabin radiator, guys. If it has line in and line out, and if it doesn't leak, it will work.
always run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets die in your heart so slow.
need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Well guys, the event is coming up and we still have a lot of work ahead of us. We need to fix the rims, improve the exhaust, fix the paint here and there, interior is not complete. We will continue next Monday, and week after that, adrenaline car show. Till next Monday guys, see ya.